When you step into a new leadership position, do you want to know how to quickly establish your authority, build a high-performing team, and start getting results right away? If so, then this course is for you. Hi, I'm Ken Downer, founder of Rapid Start Leadership. Stepping into a new leadership position is a big deal. Even if you have leadership experience, walking into a new position can be a daunting challenge. And if this is your first leadership job, it's all the more critical that you do this right. In my 26 years of active duty with the United States Army, I've led hundreds of people and transitioned into dozens of new jobs. And every transition is always a challenge, but when done right, it really sets you and your team on the path for a great experience together. To help you make that transition quickly and successfully, I've taken the best leadership tips, tricks, and techniques from my experience and put them into this course for you. The 5 modules focus on those critical first few days in your new leadership position. And they take you on a logical progression, beginning with preparing yourself to lead, establishing authority with your team, opening up lines of communication, setting a direction, and then motivating your team to get there. And this isn't theory. These are proven skills that work in all leadership environments, so they're perfect for helping anyone who's taking on a new leadership position, especially if it's their very first one. But even if you've been around the block a few times, I think there are several useful leadership tools here that you'll find helpful in quickly building your influence and your ability to inspire your team. I love getting student feedback, and I'm continuously working to keep making this course the best it can possibly be. For 2018, I've completely revised this entire course with all new videos, and I've added several practical assignments and case studies that you can apply directly to your real-world situation today. Stepping into a new leadership position can be a challenging and intimidating experience. But if you want to move quickly from, who's the new guy, to, that's my team leader, this course will help you get there. If you're ready to take action and learn the leadership skills that will help you lead more effectively now and make you a bigger influencer in the future, then I invite you to click that enroll button, and I can't wait to see you inside.